Okay everyone, so here now we have to design and implement this 555 timer circuit on circuit maker software, and we will check what is the PCB, that is printed circuit board output. So this is the actual circuit what we have. Now I will go to take new file so that step by step we can add it. So first we will search for 555 timer. So we have this, many other 555 timers are there, anyone you can use it, just place it here. Now we need ground, then place somewhere. We need resistor, so I take normal resistor. We need polar capacitor, so just type polar cap, place here, so that one by one we can add it. Just see the circuit here what we need. So we need 1 2 3 4 resistors. Before that we will take V also. So we take V here, then in this V we need 12 volts, and we need 4 resistors. Copy, you can have duplicate it, just keep it here, again duplicate, sorry, what's happening? Okay, duplicate here, again duplicate here, again duplicate, you can put it here. Capacitor also we need to duplicate it. Now see the circuit how it is. So we need 2 resistors, 1 kilo ohm, 2 resistors, so one is 2 kilo and one is 10 kilo. So for rotate, just right click, rotate 90 degrees. This is 2 kilo ohm, this is 10 kilo ohm we need. Okay, next 1 kilo, this resistors we have to rotate, that's it. Rotate this one. Now capacitance 0.1 microfarad, we need 0.1 microfarad, 0.1. okay, another one 0.01 microfarad, we need 0.01 microfarad, and it has to be rotated. I think rotate positive should be up, yes, rotate. Now connection time, we have ground also, one ground. Okay, see here, we have 2 resistances here. This is 2 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm. Just will place it and will connect one by one. 10 kilo ohm here, this has to be rotated and it has to be placed here, and you can place this here and this here. So we need dot IC. You can place it here, dot IC. Now connection 1 2 ground, we can connect, take the cable, Okay, 1 to ground is finished. 2 to IC. Okay, from this IC, next 3 to resistance. Okay, resistance to the 1. Next 4 to resistance. And this resistance to V. And 8 to V. Next 7 and this resistance to here, and this 7 to these two resistors are shorted, and this has to be connected here, and this has to be resistance 6, 5 and 6 has given here. Okay, now this capacitance is moved here and this is moved here. Okay, use this capacitance here, and okay, now we can connect like this. We can connect like this, and 5, 6, 7, 8 all are connected. IC is connected. 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, 0.1 microfarad, 0.101 microfarad. Okay, now place use F4. Okay, you can type 555 timer circuit. Now what is the next step? Next step is save the file. You can save in documents. Triple five timer circuit. Okay, save it. Now what is the next step? Next step is go to the export to PCB netlist and check all are correct. 6000 x-axis, y is 6000. Press OK. Now same in PCB my documents, you have to save the same name. It will go to the another window. It will say 6 are the loaded. Okay, now you can zoom it 2 times. Okay, now route board, press OK for this. You will got routing finished. So this is your PCB circuit. Okay, thanks for watching.